Hello everyone, myself Dipti Champaneria from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan, and today we are going to learn our English grammar lesson number 6. This, that, these, those. So students, let's get started. We use these, this these, and that, 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 for one person, place, animal or thing. Then we use these, these, and those for more than one person, place, animal or thing, which means this this and that for singular nouns and these these and thos those for plural nouns. Now let's look at the given example. You can see in the picture there is a boy in red t-shirt. What he says? This is a rabbit. This this is a rabbit. You can see rabbit in his hand. It is near to him. So this is a rabbit. And other is that, that. That is a kitten. You can see in the picture kitten is far away from him. So, and it is singular. So he says that is a kitten. Now on the other hand, you can see a girl in pink dress. What she says? These, these are grapes. You can see grapes in her hand, and it is so many, so it is plural form. So these are grapes, and those are apples. Thos those apples are far from her. So, and they are in plural form. They are so many, so those are apples. Then we use this this and these these to point to nouns that are near us, and we use that and those to point to nouns that are far from us. Now let's look at some more examples. Write this, this this or these these. Now here we are writing this or these for the things which are near. So number 1, dash, chairs. Chairs is a plural noun. So we will write these chairs. 2, dash, tomato. Tomato, singular. So this this tomato. 3, dash, cups. Cups, plural. So these these cups. 4, dash, boats. Boats, plural noun. So this these boats. Next is dash, plants. These plants. Dash, car. This car. Dash, girls. These girls. Dash, goat. This goat. So this this for singular and this this for plural. Now here we say this is Amit and this is Reena. This this is Amit. Amit singular, and this is Reena. Reena singular. So this this. Or we say these are my friends. This these are my friends. Amit and Reena. We do not say these are Amit and Reena. Now let's look at some more examples for the thing which are far away from us. Now let's look for singular and plural things which are far. Dash huts. Huts. Plural noun. So those huts. THUSE those. Dash pen. Singular noun. That pen. Dash laptops. Again plural. So those laptops. Dash toys. Those toys. Dash cake. That cake. Dash biscuits. Those biscuits. Dash nest. That nest. Now let's look at the picture example. Now here you can see in the picture number 1 there is a girl in red dress and there is a grandma. Now what the girl says, dash fruits are for you grandma. Now fruits plural and it is near to her. So THESE these fruits for you grandma. Then what grandma says, I made dash frock for you dear. I made THIS this. Why this? Near and frock singular. So I made this frock for you dear. Then picture number 2. You can see there is a girl asking. She is pointing out to an animal. What she is saying, what she is asking, what is that? That, because it is far and singular. So what is that? That. Then number 3. Here in number 3 you can see there is a girl again. She is asking for some animals. You can see some animals, not singular, plural. Yes, and they are far from her. So she is asking, are dash elephants? Are those? THUSE those. Why? Because they are in plural noun, plural form, and they are far from her. Are those elephants? Okay. Now number 4. Here a Sardar boy is asking about a fruit. It is a singular. What is this? Thank